Hello everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to my YouTube channel that is Impactful Learning with Nupur. So keep liking and sharing my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Students, today we are going to discuss question answers of chapter 2, The Thief Story, which is written by Ruskin Bond. As you all know, I have already provided a video of this chapter which holds the summary, character traits and meanings of difficult words. That video link is mentioned in this video's description box, right? Now let's get started. I would like to start from short question answers which need to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Question number 1 is, who was Hari Singh? So for this we need to write the character traits of Hari Singh. So Hari Singh was a 15-year-old experienced and successful thief. He was good at face reading and acquired a lot of knowledge about human behavior through his sharp observation. Okay, so these are the character traits of Hari Singh. Okay, he was a successful thief and a good judge of others' character. He had acquired a lot of knowledge about human behavior through his sharp observation. Okay, next question is, what were his impressions about Anil Singh? Okay, so Hari thought that Anil was easygoing, kind and simple enough to be cheated without any difficulty. Okay, so these were the impressions of Anil. Fine. Question number 2 is, on what conditions did Hari Singh get work from Anil? Okay, where did Anil put up Hari? So Anil was a struggling writer and could not afford to give any wages to Hari Singh. Okay, so Anil was a struggling writer and he was not having that much of money to give Hari Singh. So he promised to give him food and place to stay for his services. Okay, so for his work, he promised to give him food and a place to stay. The next question is, where did Anil put up Hari? So Anil lived in a small room over the Jamuna sweet shop and he put up Hari in the balcony of this room. Okay, so he gave his room's balcony to Hari. Fine. Now, question number 3 is, do you think Hari Singh was grateful to Anil for teaching him to write? Now let's see the answer. Yes, Hari Singh was grateful to Anil Singh for teaching him to write because with the help of education he would be able to grab a lot of money as a thief. Okay, so he was grateful but in greedy way. His intentions were not right. Okay, so what he thought that with the help of education he would be able to grab a lot of money as a thief. Okay, so he wanted to become an educated thief then. Okay, question number 4, what made Hari Singh to steal Anil's money? Okay, so why did he think to steal Anil's money, as he was already knowing that Anil Singh was such a sweet person, okay, such an easygoing person, but still he thought to steal his money. Fine, so what did he plan to do after stealing Anil's money? So Hari Singh had stolen the money of Anil because he was losing his skill of stealing, and if he had not stolen it, Anil would have wasted the money. Okay, so he was losing the skill of stealing, right? So he thought that it's better to steal the money as he was losing that skill, and Anil would have wasted the money, okay, if he had not stolen it. Okay, so for these reasons he stole Anil's money. At night, when Anil was fast asleep, Hari stole the money and planned to go to the railway station and board the 10 p.m. express to Lucknow, as anyhow he wanted to go out of reach of police and Anil. Okay, so what he planned? He planned to go to the railway station and board 10:30 p.m. express, okay, to Lucknow, as anyhow he wanted to go out of reach of police and Anil. Question 5. Why did Hari Singh stop himself to get away? Okay, so what stopped Hari Singh to board that 10:30 p.m. express to Lucknow? Okay, so when Hari Singh reached the station and about to catch 10:30 Lucknow express and had chance to get away from the police as well as Anil, his conscience had stopped him as he was guilty of robbing Anil, who had trusted him to an extent. Okay, so his conscience had stopped him as he was guilty to rob such a sweet person like Anil, who had trusted him to an extent. He realized that on finding his theft, Anil would feel sad, not because he suffered a loss of money, but because of breaking his trust. Okay, so because of these reasons, Hari Singh didn't board that 10:30 p.m. express to Lucknow. Why? Because his conscience had stopped him and he was guilty to rob such a sweet person like Anil, who had trusted him a lot. Fine. Question number 6. What are Hari Singh's views about the reaction of different people on being robbed, as he is good at face reading through his sharp observation? Okay, so Hari Singh was a good judge of others' character. So what were his views about the reaction of different people when they are robbed? So the answer is Hari Singh is good at face reading and concludes that a rich man shows anger and annoyance when robbed. A greedy man looks fearful. Fearful means scared, while a poor man resigns himself to his fate. Okay, fate means destiny. Question number 7. Did Anil Singh know this truth that he had been robbed? Yes. Anil knew this truth that he had been robbed because he found that the notes means money, were wet from the last night's rain, but he decided to keep quiet because he wanted to give chance to Hari Singh to reform himself. Okay, so he is such a nice person. He didn't show Hari Singh that he was already knowing about his act, and he gave chance to Hari Singh to reform himself. Reform means to change himself. Fine. Now let's come to the long question answers which need to be answered in 100 to 150 words. Question 1 is, why does Anil not hand the thief over the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways Anil Singh is different from other employers, right? And this is NCERT question also. Okay, so Anil Singh is easygoing, simple and kind-hearted man. He does not hand Hari Singh over the police because he knows that such children turn out to be criminals if they are sent to jail, and he would feel guilty throughout his life if Hari Singh becomes a confirmed criminal after his release. Okay, so he was mature enough, okay, to take this decision, and what he thought, he thinks that children turn out to be criminals if they are sent to jail. Okay, so Anil is different from other employers, as in this case most people get panic at little things that scare their security, but Anil treats Hari in a selfless, forgiving and caring manner. Okay, so people get panic at little things when it comes to their security, but Anil Singh treats Hari in a selfless, forgiving and caring manner. Okay. Question number 2 is, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving education? Do they change over time? What make him return to Anil? Hari Singh thinks that after becoming educated, he can do wonders as a thief and achieve a great success in his life. Okay, so this is how he became greedy, right? So his intentions were not correct. His attitude towards life is still materialistic, but his thinking changes over time, and later on he thinks of becoming a clever and respectable man in society, and Anil is a right guide in this sense. Okay, so later on he thinks in a better manner. Now he takes education as a medium to gain recognition and respect in society. Okay, so his concept changed with over time. Right? So he takes education as a medium to gain recognition and respect in society. Okay, students. So students, you can copy these question answers in your notepads or notebooks, right? So keep liking and sharing my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Impactful Learning with Nupur. Thank you so much.